Hello students. In this video, we are going to explore the world of geometry. It's all about shapes, and we'll be learning how to draw some of the most interesting ones like a parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezium, and kite. First up, the parallelogram. A parallelogram is a shape where opposite sides are equal in length and run parallel to each other. Now, you might think, how do we actually draw one? Well, don't worry. There are several ways to do it. For instance, you can start by drawing two sides and one angle. Imagine we want to create a parallelogram ABCD. We'll draw AB as 6.5 cm, BC as 4.8 cm, and the angle ABC is 60 degrees. Use the ruler for the sides and a protractor for the angle. You've got yourself a parallelogram. There is another method, like drawing two sides and a diagonal. Let's say you have AB at 6.5 cm, AD at 4.8 cm, and the diagonal BD at 5.7 cm. With these, you'll be able to connect the points and see the parallelogram take shape. And there are so many other ways to create one, like using both diagonals, an angle, or even heights. Each time you draw, you'll notice the unique ways these sides come together to form a parallelogram. Now, let's move on to the rectangle. Rectangles are awesome because they have right angles, and opposite sides are equal in length. So how do we draw one? One simple way is to start with two adjacent sides. For example, you can draw AB as 6.5 cm and BC as 4 cm. Using a ruler and protractor will help you make sure those corners are perfect 90 degrees angles. Or if you prefer, you could also use a diagonal. Let's say we want side AB to be 6.5 cm and the diagonal BD to be 7.8 cm. This method gives a twist to drawing rectangles. Next, let's create a rhombus. A rhombus is another interesting shape. It's a lot like a parallelogram, but the thing about it is that all the sides are equal in length. Let's see, how do we draw one? We could start with one side and an angle. Imagine we draw ABCD, where AB is 6.5 cm and the angle A is 60 degrees. Or, you can use a different method, you can draw it by using a side and a diagonal. Now for a classic, the square. Squares are the superstars of geometry because they have all equal sides and right angles. Drawing one is super easy. Just take your ruler and draw side AB at 6.5 cm. Then, use your protractor to make sure those 90 degrees angles. There is another method, you can also start by drawing a diagonal. For instance, make diagonal AC equals 7.8 cm, and the square will form as you complete the other sides. Let's explore the trapezium. A trapezium is a bit different because it has only one pair of parallel sides. To draw one, imagine we have sides AB at 6.5 cm, BC at 4.5 cm, CD at 4.8 cm, and DA at 4 cm. Use your ruler to carefully connect these sides, and you'll see the unique shape appear. And finally, the kite. They have two pairs of equal adjacent sides. You can start by drawing side AB as 6.5 cm and side DA as 4.8 cm, with an angle of 120 degrees between them. Or, if you want, you can use a diagonal instead to help guide your drawing. There you go, we've learned so many different ways to draw all these amazing shapes. Which one do you think was the easiest to draw? And here's a quick quiz for you. Can you tell me what the main property of a rectangle is? Let me know your answer in the comments. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 9 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.